Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Palworld game lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuttering issue on PC. So let's find the solutions. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs as mentioned over here. And after that, launch the game and check. Next method is to allow the game through Firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows Security. After that, here you have to click on Firewall and Network Protection, click on Allow an app through Firewall. After that, click on Change Settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on Allow another app, click on Browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. And after that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked. And after that, click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game from installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under Library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on Manage, click on Browse Local Files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to double click on it and then check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue continues, you should run the game as administrator. For that, select the game, right click on it, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and here select Run this program as an administrator, click on Apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue continues, come back again. This time select Run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on Apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select Disable Full Screen Optimizations, hit on Apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on Apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for Device Manager. After that, here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when the graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. You are suggested to select anti-aliasing as none, and after that, even changing anti-aliasing to FXAA can help to fix the issue. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under Libraries section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on Properties. Under General, here you have to type -DX11 and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue continues, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, then come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable multiplayer option. So for that, you have to first launch the game. After that, click Galapagos Island, select Change World Settings. From here, select Off in Multiplayer option and OK to save. Finally, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, move to the next method. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled, such as NVIDIA Shadow Player or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issues while playing the game. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Properties, click on Install Files, and after that click on Verify integrity of game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on Settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on General and switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the picture. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the picture. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So click on repair, click on yes. After that, wait for some time. And once it is finished, close this. After that, restart your PC and again log into the game and check if you can play. Next is to move the game to SSD. So you should make sure your game is installed on SSD. If not, then you can suffer from crashing or several other issues. So you can simply check it. Just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on storage, and here you will find whether your game is installed on SSD or on other drive. So if your game is installed on another drive, you simply have to select it, and after that click on move option. So this will move the game to your SSD, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option. Click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. After that, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After the game is added, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings. After that, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Palworld game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall file, click on uninstall. This will completely remove the game from a PC. After that, restart your PC, and once your system restarts, again launch Steam, log in to it using your username and password, and finally reinstall Palworld game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.